Welcome back, Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today's test drive is this well-known 2012 Chevy SS Camaro with 55,000 miles. Does have the 6.2, it is the SS, it's got the upgraded bow tie emblems, the carbon fiber on the front and rear. It's got a different wing on the back. I like it, it looks great. Got the Hurst shifter. The exhaust sounds great. And we're doing a test drive. Like I said, this is a well-known car. We know the guy, and he bought it new. He's had it since brand new, so that's even better. A one-owner car. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because I do go over chips, scratches, any kind of issues that I see throughout the video while I'm test driving it. And if you have any more questions, you can always call and say, hey, what's this? We'll be able to help you out. All right, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Interior wise, she looks all right. Well, the dinger works, that's for sure. Radio works. Oh man, that AC feels good. Okay. Little ripper. Gas gauge is on E though. We have to stop and put about 20 bucks in this one. It's pretty low. Gauges. Hurst shifter. This is gonna be fun, guys. I love these cars. I just ended up selling mine here recently so I can get an old one. But I still like this car. It's fun to drive. Even the kids, my son was all upset when I got rid of it. I think he wanted it. But he's only 12, so he can't have it yet. Horn, obvious. Yep, it works. That guy thinks I'm honking at him now. All right, let's get out of here, see how it runs the drive. Well, this test drive, I actually forgot to eat. And what's cool, you know, I've been going through these videos, getting everything done. I just looked up, oh wow, backup camera, I didn't have that in mind. I just looked up and there's no more to do. The detail guys haven't cleaned them up yet, so I guess I got time I could go eat. I'm just gonna go grab some food and go back, sit in the office, answer some phones, whatnot. Kind of enjoy the last day for a little while. I'll be back in a week though, and I'll probably come back before then, but I need to go home and help the wife. So, here we go. Shifting nice and easy. Tight steering there. Short shifter too, I do like that. Trying them all, guys. 6th gear. Guess we'll take the fast lane here. I love the crackle of the exhaust on these. Shifting out super easy, nice and smooth. Guess we'll stop and get gas first. Oh my goodness, there's that Mustang from the last video. It's hilarious. I hope he doesn't watch the videos. It says Hoonigan on it. It's a pink. It looks like they rolled the paint on that car. I've seen a big old screw hanging out the back. Goodness. People look crazy. Alright guys, we're going to get $20 worth of fuel. We'll peekaboo with this car back here and yeah. I'll be back. right, guys, like we always do, $20 worth of premium fuel in this ride here. Gas cap's over here. I'll show it to you real quick just to see. There you go. It is open. It works. I'm sure the gauge works. They were just out cruising in it, checking everything out, ran the gas out. So see the gauge coming up there. It should be at quarter tank at least. Come on, back up. Almost half a tank. All right, let's roll. All right. Here we go, guys. I like that backup camera. It's pretty cool. I bought one of those online that I was going to put in one of my trucks. I just haven't done it. Maybe I'll get some time off, or time to do it while I'm off with the baby. Here we go. I still didn't go eat. I'll just wait. They might have something else ready by the time I get back here. Gets up to speed in no time. bump in the road here. I mean, this is basically a new car, guys. You can't complain. I stay quiet so you can listen to it, but super easy to drive. I like the Hurst shifter that they put in here. It's just a good daily. Thanks for sticking around. Picking out the flaws is going to be at the end of the video, so make sure you watch that so you can see little chips and stuff that I found. And check out maplemotors.com. That's our main website where we update every week. I will be back in 1 week, guys, so you probably won't even notice. I've gotten so many videos done. Same thing, we're walking this ride. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. Let's go. Up in the front, you can tell they changed out the emblem with the carbon fiber one. I do believe it's factory SS. And around the front, you got some light little bug marks, but overall, it's pretty clean. You see a few up here in the front. Chips. There at the bottom, a chip there. Tires are weak on this car too. Look at the front. There's still some tread left, but they are getting low. Chip there. It's the guard. Back tire's about the same as the front. Maybe a little bit less tread. Oh yeah, definitely less tread on the back. They got cracks in them too. Never mind. Front tires got more tread. I wonder why. Dirt there, come off. Front windshield looks good. It should come off. It's on top of the paint. I think it was sap. Scuff there. They wired up something. What is it? What'd they wire up? It might be that light. That's aftermarket. Looks like the factory mats are still in here too. That's cool. I've seen some aftermarket mats. There we go. Yeah, I need some tires for the rear. The front is not as bad. It's kind of sticking out a little bit there. checking stuff, but I'm telling you, this car is in great shape. We know the owners very well, and they've owned it since new. They've always taken care of their cars, that's for sure. He's a mechanic himself. If I was to buy one to keep, if I wanted this car, which I just sold mine, the only reason I sold mine, well, for one, there was a 68 that I was just going crazy over. I've always wanted. Otherwise, I'd have just kept it. And the girl that bought mine, she came up out of nowhere and was just asking. And her dad was like, come on, sell it to us. I was like, all right, well. I got decent money out of it, and I made someone's day. Plus, I ended up with that 68. I can't stop talking about it. Guys, as you can see, it's like pretty much new. Front bumper, it takes the most from the road. It's gonna have a few chips. Cold, just freezing cold AC. That's always nice. Stitching on the dash there. SS in the headrests and in the steering wheel here. There's your trunk button if you're looking for it. All right. Of course, the motor is just nice and quiet. Little chips on the hood there. Chip up there. Guys, detailed pictures, financing, and shipping is available on this. Go to maplemotors.com. Check out all of our inventory. It's updated every Monday, and I'll be out for a week from the 20th. Like I said, I'm doing these videos kind of quick here this week just to get all the facts out there to you so you're comfortable with the cars. If you're not, call us back. We'll go out, do some more videos for you, check things out, and make sure you're happy. All right. Be sure to hit subscribe too. That's going to help me out. Thanks, guys.